Libra. September 23 to October 22 is Libra. Again I repeat, September 23 to October 22. Libra is always the sign. The sign for Libra is a scale. The scale shows a balance. These people are very focused and they want to maintain balance. On the other hand, the Librans are very calculative people. They are very clear on what they have to do, and when they set out to achieve the objectives, they do it in a way where they not only do it in a seemingly way that they are just, fair, but also achieve the objectives in the end. They are calculative in their own right. The negative thing about Librans is that they can lose the balance of mind, and this is lost only when they are unable to achieve the balance or the objective. So what is important for Librans is to keep their cool and not to lose the balance of mind. This year for Libran, again, that is the year 2013, is an excellent year. Fortune smiles on them. Till June 2013, they would be fortunate. If the Librans show courage, fortune is going to be greater for them. It is a year when they will achieve what they have dwelt to achieve on by less efforts. It's a year where the luck is going to favor them. The second part of the year, that is after June 2013, the Librans would focus on profession, on professional prestige, on how to get things organized for their business, how to expand business, and those in job, how to expand the prestige in the jobs they are. And they would achieve it. So the focus in June in the year 2013 would be on profession, prestige, and gains from profession and prestige. It's a year where you will be doing very well, and a year which, if you put a little of your mind, you will be able to achieve whatever you want to achieve in your professional spheres. I also want to say here that though luck would be there favoring you, you would also be making good in terms of your job and business. But the objective should be more towards achieving prestige rather than for achieving gains. I hope I make myself clear. Is that in the year June 2013, the Librans should achieve not for making money or for gains, but for ensuring that they are able to get the prestige which they want in job or in business. This, if is your focus, you will do better, and that is what my advice for Librans is for the year 2013. The area where Librans have to be careful in 2013 is that they have to give importance to the family. If they do not give importance to the family, it is going to be an issue. Do not neglect your family, that is your immediate family and the extended family, for the year 2013. It could lead to greater problems. Also, in June 2013, please be careful with your finances. Finances should be looked thoroughly again and again. Do not leave them. Do not trust your finances with other people. The important thing for Librans for the year 2013, where they should focus and where it could create problem, is finances. So two things, family and finances. Be very careful. These are weak spots. Also, those of you who are dealing with government and have to get advantages from the government or deal with government in a way that you gain from the government, you should be careful. That is, while dealing with the crown or with the government, please take extra caution and care and do not take it leniently. There could be problems there. So for Taurans, negativity are places where they should be cautious. For Librans, the places of negativity and for the areas where they should be cautious are family, finances, and dealing with the government. On the other hand, the year 2013 is an excellent year where fortune smiles on you and you will be able to enhance your prestige both in your job as well as business.